Welcome back, guys. Happy Tuesday. If I don't say the day, I'm going to forget what day we're on. It is Vlogtober day 21. And today, I did not vlog at all, but I will be making you my adobo tacos. I promised you the last time I made adobo, which was like, I don't know, Vlogtober day 2 or something, that next time I would show you how to make adobo tacos. This is everything you got. The adobo, all you need is your leftover adobo, green onion, cilantro, red onion, and tortillas. And I will show you the tortillas later, right over there. But I'm gonna assemble this and show you how I make my adobo tacos. Oh, wait! Important. Quesadilla cheese. Some people use mozzarella, I've seen on the internet, but I like to use this specifically. It can be found at Walmart or Costco, at least our Costco. So first thing I like to do is take my leftover adobo, put it in a pot over the stove, and add about a cup of water to it. And I like to boil that, bring it to a rolling boil to, just get the meat really soft again. While that's happening, I like to chop off my veggies, the green onion, the cilantro, chop that up into tiny pieces, and the red onion as well. I specifically like red onion, but you do not have to use red onion. I've also used white onion and yellow onion before, but for adobo tacos specifically, I like to use red onion, and you want to chop that off as small as possible, tiny pieces. And then once you're done doing that, the adobo chicken should be ready for you to shred. I put that on a cutting board, use 2 forks, and just shred away until each and every piece is perfectly shredded. Then I take whatever sabao is left. The pot is empty of meat at that point. Heat your griddle, spray some cooking spray on it, and then I dip the corn tortilla into the adobo sabao or sauce. Really soak up each tortilla, and then you're gonna put that on the griddle and toast them on both sides. Essentially, I want to say, have your heat on medium high, and then you're just gonna dip as many as you can to fit onto your griddle to get them nice and toasted. After maybe about a minute or less on each side, depending on how hot your griddle is, you are going to give those tortillas a nice flip, and then you are going to take a little bit of cheese onto each tortilla first, and then you're going to add some of your shredded chicken, and then you are going to have your veggies, and you are going to sprinkle a little bit of the sabao sauce and the green onion, cilantro mixture, and red onion onto each taco. Once you finish adding all your veggies, your cheese on the bottom will have melted a little, and then you're gonna add a little more chicken if you like, if the first time wasn't enough, and then a little more cheese, so that when you close the tortilla, there is cheese on both sides. I like to give them a nice flip to make sure they're evenly cooked and browned on both sides. And then once you've done that a few times, when you plate them, I like to add more of that veggie mixture on the top. Then you're going to take whatever leftover sabao or soup you have into a small bowl, and you're going to take even more red onion and cilantro and green onion to that mixture, so that when you dip your taco into it, you have all the flavors mixed together.
Okay, no me.
And that's all. Enjoy. If you like this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.